You say the quadruple.
Now, there's 4.
You say the quadruple.
And I'm looking the sharpest in all 4.
It's
Even
not-
in the Premier League.
I'm not lying, man. Ons speel nie. As nie die first season waar hulle moet 4 trophies wen nie. As nie die first season.
Okay. Maxon, yeah, as you it's not the first time.
Where you win 4, where you win so you must win
Not
4.
thus far. Not thus far.
You didn't come to
Not thus far.
You never.
This time last year, I was playing Champions League and Premier League only. I was out of Carabao Cup. I was out of FA Cup. You can't lie to me. I was just playing Champions League and
You were
Premier
supposed
League
to win
this
it last
time.
season also, you didn't.
This time.
Because of one slip up.
I'm talking
No,
about
Liverpool was on top
Yeah,
of us
Liverpool was angry the whole fucking
Who's
season
first
last
now?
season.
Number 1, 4 points.
2023, I think.
How much games? They have 13
first
games,
place.
12 games.
12.
Fucking joking. I get here, I smack you.
That's
I get because I smack you.
scary.
No, no, you know.
That maga is
Me and us
four.
London teams, I smack them.
That's
I smack him.
That's your beef for
All of
London
them.
team.
To go draw against Brentford.
All of them.
That's beef against the London team. That's not my
Brentford
problem.
is also London.
Ah.
Yeah, Wheaton.
Big London clubs, I smack them.
Small
You
London
fall
clubs
victim
gonna
to
smack
them.
him.
Don't lie to me. You fall victim. Brentford also, you fall victim to them.
But where am I?
Even men.
Where am I?
Even men. Klein team kan 'n groot team trip ons los hy.
Ah,
Hulle sien dit nou aan Hourenden bal.
Yes,
Hulle
that's
sien dit aan
right.
Hourenden bal ons los hy. 'n Klein team kan 'n groot team trip. As simple. As simple as dit. Jy het paar klein teams wat nog op die lys is.
And I can guarantee you, from this day onwards,
You say complete points. You say complete points. You say complete points.
I'm gonna go straight. Win.
Complete points.
Talk about Champions League. You're not winning Champions League, bro.
Complete points. You're gonna push up all
Who's
points.
hotter than me in the Champions League?
No meaning what, bro?
Who's hotter?
PSG was
Hy tweede half van die season is
PSG
lelik.
wasn't hot last season.
Ah,
Tweede half van die season raak lelik. That second half of the season get deep. You can waar in the hy's tweede half van die season. If you're not ready for that bullshit. Yo!
I did lose no game in the Champions League as well.
Sharp.
yes. Nothing.
I think I'm the first team out of the
Yeah.
of the teams in the league phase to win all their games.
Yeah,
Me,
sure.
don't play.
In the league, how many else you have?
They're gonna give me a
In the
goal.
league, how many else you have?
They're gonna give me a goal
You know how much
Champions
else Madrid
League
have
for
yesterday?
going undefeated. I'm telling you.
Listen. You know what I saw
I'm
yesterday.
telling you.
How much else Madrid have in the league?
Goal Champions League, Jay.
Madrid have 1 EL in La Liga. 1.
You must be scared because Mourinho's undefeated.
Mourinho. I
Mourinho
don't.
have 0 in
I
Portugal.
smack him in nose. You know what?
He did Mourinho the last and choose. You must be scared
No one gonna
tonight.
smack him again.
You must be scared tonight, bro.
Everyone,
You must be scared, bro. Hello, Mourinho is not. Kyk hier, ek sal my data gebruik vir die kap.
it's my team.
Nee.
Mourinho is undefeated. When I look at the log last night, he's derde met 0 losses.
Daar bij die league.
Derde met 0 losses. Ek skrik aan.
Wie is eerste ras?
Porto, Sporting Benfica.
Yo, hoor.
Ek sê, hoe the fuck heeft Mourinho
Premier
fuck
League.
niks verloor? En allemaal kyk verby
You
Mourinho.
know the level of
Allemaal
consistency
kyk
your
verby
team needs to
Mourinho.
have to win all
Kyk hier,
four.
waar
Nu dat je die interview zei, Madrid respect me for what I've done for them.
Hello.
What
I
I
win
did
all
for
four.
them. De hard work I did
Declan Rice go
for
to
them.
Ballon d'Or ceremony. Declan Rice
kijk.
win Ballon d'Or. He's scarred after.
Oh, table.
You know Arsenal players winning Ballon d'Or this season.
Benfica 0.
Benfica
Benfica had 4 goal verloor. I mean, Benfica, why did you say now Madrid have 1 loss for entire season? Can be.
But I don't think so also, man. Maybe a couple, 3.
I'm gonna show you.
Or too much draws, ne?